In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract the first word from any cell in Excel. The good news is that we will not need any macro or add-on for this functionality. We can use a formula that will incorporate three functions: trim, left, and find. And here's the explanation of this formula. The find function finds you the position of the first space in the cell. The left function extracts everything to the left of the first space, effectively giving you the first word. The trim function is used to remove any leading or trailing spaces, ensuring you get just the word. Let's go over two examples of how to use this formula. The first example, we have a full name John Miller and we want to extract the first name only. Let's just copy this formula right here and change the reference from A1 to B2. B2 here and here. Here we have it, the first name only, John. Now the second example. Let's copy the formula here. Let's go to the sheet example 2. Here we have the full text. So in this text, the first word should be extract. Let's paste this formula. The reference is correct. And yes, exactly. The first word in this text is extract. That's it. Now you know how to extract the first word from a cell in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more useful tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.